Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit fiat on MEXC. So first of all, you need to understand that on MEXC exchange or any other exchanges, you can use the fiat currency in order to purchase USDT, and then you can use USDT, which is also a form of cryptocurrency, in order to purchase other cryptocurrencies. So basically, you cannot actually deposit fiat currencies directly in MEXC or any other exchanges, but I'm about to show you how you can use fiat currencies in order to deposit USDT in your account. So if you are interested in that, make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, you need to open your MEXC app, and if you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description, and if you use that link in order to sign up, you can avail the 8,000 USDT bonus. So once you are on this page, simply tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner and select the option of fiat in the top. Over here you will see the buy crypto option, so simply tap on buy crypto and then you will be landed on this buy and sell crypto page. Now over here you will see the spend and the receive option. So in the spend you will see all of the fiat currencies that you can use in order to make this purchase. You will see USD, Euro or any other fiat currencies, you name it. So you need to select USD if you want to make the purchase in dollar, and after that you need to enter the amount here, and in the receive section you can select USDT, which is also kind of equivalent to USD. Then you need to select the debit and credit card option and tap on the buy USDT option and conclude your payment. Once your payment is done, you will get the money in your account. Once you have USDT in your account, now you can use it in order to buy other cryptos on MEXC. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.